We turn now to this. It altered our lives. It reshaped our entire industry in this country, no matter what industry you're in. And it also stole more than 1 million family members in this country. The COVID-19 pandemic officially ending just days ago. But what does that really mean?
New this morning for you, Noelani Graff is looking into the impact from your pharmacy to your phone as well.
And speaking of your phone, probably the most tangible change that we saw right off the bat. This weekend, a lot of you might have gotten that alert letting you know that those exposure notifications were ending. You did have to opt in, and they would typically pop up when you were at the airport. Moving forward, you should now expect changes when it comes to getting a COVID test, and new numbers that warn the end of the pandemic doesn't mean the end of the illness. The COVID dashboard is sticking around on the Arizona Department of Health Services website, but it is changing. No more tracking hospital beds or negative tests, but you will still find some weekly data. The last week of April showing just over 2,400 confirmed cases. Also deaths. 34 people. Both a far cry from the peak numbers in 2022 when Arizona logged more than 150,000 cases in a week, but new research showing the virus does still impact some more than others. Researchers finding COVID-19 is now among the top 10 leading causes of death in kids up to age 18, and the most of any vaccine-preventable disease.
We also know that the more times you get COVID, the worse those outcomes are. So that's another incentive to try to avoid it in the first place.
So doctors still recommend vaccinations, and those remain free, but testing may not be. Government funding pulled right along with the pandemic title, so insurance companies can start charging for that drive-through nasal swab. No more free home tests.
These were used, for blood draws.
Which also eliminates demand for one of Arizona's leading test providers, Embry Health.
When we can find it, we would order it.
Now purging most of what you saw at its mobile sites, boxes of medical gloves, blood draw chairs, biohazard bags, right on down to the testing trailers themselves. And you can find all of those on their website as well. Right now, you will still find free tests at some Walgreens and CVS as far as the swabs go. If you have no insurance or you were exposed to the virus, that's who qualifies. Insurance companies across the board have not been clear with their plans for everyone else. And if you do still have a home test, they do typically still work about 3 months past that expiration date, but you can also check that online. For your Health Insider, I'm Noelani Graff.